Welcome back to Italian for Beginners. Lesson 4. Numbers are the first thing a language throws at you that you cannot fake. Prices, platforms, your age, your phone number. Today, 0 to 20 plus one verb. First 3. Say them with the speaker.
Uno, due, tre. Uno, due, tre.
Next 3. Sync has that soft C from Lesson 2. C before an I is a CH sound.
Quattro, cinque, sei. Quattro, cinque, sei.
For more, hold the doubled letters in set and otto. Don't rush them.
Sette, otto, nove, dieci. Sette, otto, nove, dieci.
There's your first 10. Screenshot this, then say the whole row out loud once before we go on. Now 11 to 20. And this is where Italian does you a favor. Listen to these 3. See if you can hear what's hiding at the end of each one.
Undici, dodici, tredici. Undici, dodici, tredici.
It's dieci. 10, tucked onto the back of the word. Uno plus dieci, gives undici. So these aren't new words. They're words you already know, glued together. Same pattern 3 more times.
Quattordici, quindici, sedici. Quattordici, quindici, sedici.
Then at 17, Italian flips it. The 10 moves to the front, and the small number goes on the end. Nobody knows why. You only have to survive 3 of them. Here they are, plus 20 to finish the row.
Diciassette, diciotto, diciannove, venti. Diciassette, diciotto, diciannove, venti.
The whole second half on one screen. Now the verb. And this one changes how you say something you say all the time. AVERE means to have. 3 forms today, and all 3 start with a letter you cannot hear. Lesson 2. The H is silent. It sits there and says nothing.
O, ai, a. O, ai, a.
Here is the part that feels wrong for about a week. In English, you're 20. In Italian, you have 20 years. The verb is avere, not essere. So the question sounds like this. Literally, how many years do you have?
Quanti anni hai? Quanti anni hai?
And the answer takes your number and adds anni, years.
Ho 20 anni. Ho 20 anni.
Same politeness switch you've used in every lesson. Hi for friend, ha for anyone else.
Quanti anni hai? Quanti anni ha?
Last piece, the number people actually ask you for. 2 words first, and both look like English on purpose.
Numero. Telefono. numero, telefono,
The question hole. Learn it as one piece, the way you learn mi chiamo.
qual è il tuo numero di telefono? Qual è il tuo numero di telefono?
And to give yours, you only need 3 words in front of the digits.
Il mio numero è. Il mio numero è.
Then read the digits out one at a time. 0 is in there too, the easiest word in the lesson.
3, 4, 7, 0. 3, 4, 7, 0.
Now the warning, because this one catches everybody. Italians read phone numbers in pairs, not digit by digit, which is why an Italian number goes past at twice the speed. Pairs need the numbers up to 99, and those come in less than 19. Until then, say yours one digit at a time. Nobody will blink. Together, in a real exchange. Listen once, then take the second line yourself.
Quanti anni hai? Ho 19 anni. Quanti anni hai? Ho 19 anni.
Quick run-through before you go. Say each one with the speaker.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Quanti anni hai? Il mio numero è.
21 numbers and a verb. That is a bus platform, a hotel room, an age, and a phone number handed over without panic. Say your own age out loud once before you close this. Next time, please, thank you, sorry, and the one word Italians use for about 6 different things. Ci vediamo.
Ci vediamo.